there are some simple tips and tricks that can make you way better on camera. Because the first time people record, they're like, man, why do I keep repeating myself? Why do I seem so awkward on camera? And I felt this way too. Like, I used to edit my videos and they would take me 5 times as long as the video just to cut out the parts where I was repeating myself. And I was so awkward on camera. But the way to get used to being better on camera is by doing it consistently. It's by talking to your phone consistently. Because this isn't like a natural thing to do. It's not natural to talk to your phone. So that's why it feels awkward. Like, you know how to talk to someone else because you've done it so many times. But the reason it feels awkward is because you haven't talked to your phone that much. But the more you do it, the less awkward it gets, and the more you feel comfortable just like sitting here yapping. And the way that you can make this even better immediately is by pretending that you're speaking to one person. Pick one specific person that you're speaking to and pretend that you're literally giving them like a whole monologue about whatever it is you're talking about. So just pick that one person, pretend they're on the other side of the camera. Like for me, I picked one of my coaching clients and I pretend that he's on the other side of the camera and that I'm talking directly to him. And it's okay if you repeat yourself. See, I repeated myself just there. But the more you talk on camera and the more you pretend that there's someone on the other side of the screen, the more it becomes more natural, because hopefully now it feels like we're just in the room together and I'm talking to you as if I'm just giving you advice in person. Because so many people, they talk to their phone as if they're talking to an audience, but you're not talking to an audience. You're talking to a bunch of individual people. And of course, yeah, you can consider that an audience, but it's like you're not addressing them as a group. You should be addressing the individual because the advice is tailored to the individual. So don't treat your videos as if they're for a huge audience. Treat it as if they're for one specific person and pretend that person is on the other side of the screen. And as you record videos, try and speak for as long as you can on camera, because the more you do that, the more you can speak for a long time on camera, the more you get used to that, the more you practice that. But if you're just repeating the line over and over again, then it starts to become more difficult because you're only training yourself to repeat one line, to memorize one line, to talk about one line off the cuff. But if you can talk for minutes at a time about one topic without like repeating yourself or being awkward on camera, then you're practicing that consistently. And of course you'll make mistakes. Like as you can see in this video, like I've made plenty of mistakes talking, but since I practiced just doing this in as few takes as I can, now I can speak on camera way more naturally. And it's such a huge improvement from my first video where I'm literally repeating every single line over and over again and cutting it up so that it's an engaging and understandable video. The more you practice this, the better you get at it. So just pretend someone's on the other side of the screen and practice as consistently as you can. And if you don't want to make videos, then just talk to your phone about your day. Just video journal. Video journaling is just at the end of the day, just talk to your phone and be like, okay, what happened today? What did you learn? What are you grateful for? If you ask yourself these things, one, it'll improve your mental health probably because gratitude improves your mental health. And then two, you'll get better speaking on camera, which is like the point of this video, right? Which you clicked on this video. So it's like, if you do those things, you'll start to get better on camera. You'll start to feel a little bit better about yourself and it'll be totally worth it. And of course it'll feel uncomfortable. You're not used to speaking on camera, but even though it won't be easy, it will be worth it. Life's not easy, but it's worth it. Take care.